Get ready for the thrill of open-top driving like never before. Aston Martin is pushing boundaries once again with the breathtaking 2026 Vantage Roadster. From its elegant design to its powerful performance, this convertible is built to impress. Stick around as we take a deep dive into everything this stunning new model has to offer. Nearly a year after unveiling the 2026 Vantage Coupe, Aston Martin is expanding the lineup with the all-new Vantage Roadster. Designed alongside the coupe, this convertible maintains incredible structural rigidity while keeping weight gain to a minimum, just 132 pounds heavier than its hardtop sibling. Under the hood lies a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 656 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The result? A jaw-dropping top speed of 202 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.5 seconds. The Roadster features an 8-speed automatic transmission, controlled via paddle shifters. This system routes power to the rear wheels through an electronically controlled limited-slip differential, ensuring precision and smooth handling even in the most dynamic driving conditions. When it's time to bring all that power to a stop, the Vantage Roadster is equipped with a robust braking system. Standard steel brakes include 15.8-inch front and 14.2-inch rear discs with 6-piston front and 4-piston rear calipers. For those who want even more, Aston Martin offers optional carbon ceramic brakes, measuring 16.1 inches at the front and 14.2 inches at the rear, for exceptional stopping performance. With its iconic design, advanced engineering, and breathtaking performance, the 2026 Aston Martin Vantage Roadster is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. This isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle.